Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and I would like to take you through a setup of a video IP intercom. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and then share this video. Alright, so let's set the ball rolling. So this is indoor station. This is more or less like a monitor. This is an outdoor station. Okay, this is the bell. This is the one you press on. And as usual, this is my router. This is my router. This is the switch. And then this is my 12 volts power supply. Okay, this is my 12 volt power supply. Alright, so let me take you through the connections. First and foremost, the switch is already powered. It's connected. This is also already connected. Let's start with the indoor station. So you connect it here with the passive media. Make sure it is firm so that the terminals don't touch each other. So you've connected your indoor station. Then you connect your outdoor station as well. So in the circuit diagram already shown, with these connections, we can see it clearly here. We have the lock. We have power from this side, and then when you check this, the power from the circuit, you realize that the first 3 is supposed to go to 12 volts, and then the next 3 is supposed to go to the ground, with reference from the circuit diagram showed earlier. Alright. Okay. You'll have to give this the power. So these two are connected, has been given power. Now we come to the network side. We make sure that they are both on the network. This one has a Wi-Fi feature, so we didn't need to connect it to the switch. You have to connect this. Alright, so you can see that now there's internet access switch. Then we also have to connect. There's an Ethernet port here. You have to connect this to us. We also have to connect this. So now we are done with our connections. As I said, this one will not be connected to the switch because it has a Wi-Fi capability. So we turn our power supply on. When we turn it on, you realize that the screen is on. See that the screen is on. And this is also on. Alright, so now that they are both on, okay, waiting for this to boot. This is done. Waiting for this to boot. When it's done, then we'll go through the configuration together. Alright, it is up. So now the indoor station is up, the outdoor station is up. Let's go through the configuration together. Go to settings. And in settings, advanced settings. And advanced settings, and you go to configuration. I've already set the password, so I'll keep the password in. Alright, so now we are into the configuration settings. Okay, so you have, is it an indoor station or an extension? That means we can have multiple screens of this. Okay, you select indoor station, room information, we just leave it like that. Let's go straight to the network. Yeah, so it's going to pick the address automatically. Alright, so let's go to the wizard. We select English. My email is already in there. So next. Gateway is correct, so next. And then we select same as admin password. That's your registration password, so it's the same as the admin password. You go next. Okay, so as I said earlier, it has a Wi-Fi capability, so it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. You go next. The date and time is also correct automatically. Is it not correct? Okay, so it's correct. Alright, so now this is the outdoor station. It's also on the same network. So you see that the indoor station is able to pick it. So this is the name. That's the name of FA4. That's the name of this. As you can see, it is here. That's it. Okay. That's it. The serial number there. Okay. So see next. Need to ask you for indoor extensions. That's if you have 2 or more screens. It's only one, so you will not find any device. You go next. To go through its parent stage. Alright, so configure. So start. Then we go back. Right now we are done with the configuration, so we go back. You see that the outdoor, this is the icon and this is the Wi-Fi. So now you can get a live view if you have to do the live view. So now when you press it, it's supposed to ring here. Okay, you can see the video. So in our next episode, maybe we may talk about how to do the lock connection, because you can see this to unlock the main entrance. Okay, so you respond. Alright, so that's it. So you either respond or you just accept the call and then you respond. So that's it. And this is how to make the connection for a video IP intercom. Thank you for watching. make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and then share this video. Watch out for exciting episodes. Thank you.